Good afternoon. Myself Ikhra Fatima of grade 8. Linear equations in one variable. The aim of activity is how to solve linear equations in one variable. Expression. In math, it is a group of numbers, variables and operation symbols. Operation symbols are nothing but plus, minus, into, division, and expression doesn't has any equal sign. For example, 5x minus 3. Equation. In math, equation is a statement which shows the two things are equal to link left side and right side. It consists of numbers, variables and operation. For example, 5x minus 3 is equals to 2 minus x. 5x minus 3 is LHS and 2 minus x is RHS. Linear equations in one variable. Algebraic equation where the highest degree and variable is always 1. Such equations are said to be linear equations in one variable. Linear equations are also called simple equations. For example, 5x minus 3 is equals to 2x plus 4. The number which is before the variable is known as coefficient. Here 5 and here 2 is coefficient. The x here and here is variable and this 3 and 4 is constant. Rules to be followed while solving linear equation. Any number is operated by addition, subtraction, multiplication or division should be done on both sides of the equation. For example, 2x plus 3 is equals to 5. Subtract minus 5 on both sides. 2x plus 3 minus 5 is equals to 5 minus 5. If we are cancelling here minus 5 and here minus 5, we are getting the answer. If numbers are in fraction form, cross multiplication can be done. Example, 2x plus 3 is by 4 is equal to 5 by 6x plus 1. 2x plus 1 into 6x plus 1 is equal to 5 into 4. Any term of an equation may be taken or the other side with a change in its sign. This is called transposing. Example, 2x plus 3 is equal to 5x plus 9. If we take plus 3 that side, it will become minus 3. So, 2x is equal to 5x plus 9 minus 3. Here are example LHS, RHS. If in LHS there is plus, if it goes to RHS, it will become minus. Same here, if in LHS there is minus sign, if it goes to RHS, it will become plus sign. And in LHS, if multiplication sign is there, if it goes to RHS, it will become division. Here same. Thank you.
Good afternoon. Myself Fariha Jasreen of grade 8. So this is an equation 2x plus 3 is equals to 5. So we have to transpose this one to another side. It will become minus 1. And with the same, we have to transpose this one also. It will become minus 1. And same with the another. So plus into minus get minus. So we have to plus into minus and minus 1 get cancel. So now the equation is 2x is equals to 2. We have to remove this x and this 1. Now the equation is x is equals to 1. Thank you.